What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another banger for you guys. All my Casper holders, man, make sure you guys turn up in the comment section, like the video, share it with the rest of the Casper, the Caspians on Twitter. Let's make these videos go viral, man. Let's blow them up so the top influencers could take notice of Casper and start covering it as well. But we're gonna take our time with it because we gotta finish accumulating first, right? We gotta finish getting up our bags first. But yeah, Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow these videos up and make them go viral. Like I said, man, Casper sitting at $457 million in market cap, 10 million in 24-hour trade volume. Crazy numbers, man. That 10 million in volume, absolutely insane. Casper right now on a bit of a retrace, down 4.36%. Hey, if you wanted an entry, now's the time to DCA. You got a red day, guys. You got a red day to accumulate right here. I'm buying red. I'll never buy green. I'm only gonna buy red. Now is a nice little entry for Casper, and I'm sure it's gonna be holding that range between the 2 cent range, 2 cent, 5 cent mark. That's the range it's gonna be holding until it gets another leg up from here, guys. From Alpha, Cas will be huge in the coming years. Shout out to Alpha. Let's see who else. What we got from OG Fruits, Pump coming, get ready. As always, when it comes to Casper, man, this project is a unicorn. It's gonna crush it, I'm telling you. Cas from AppSat, Cas with the market cap of Ethereum, $11, 445x, BNB, $1.95, $1.95, 72x, XRP, $1.32, 49x, ADA, 19x, 52 cent Casper. And I'm looking at this target right here, the ETH target, but I'm sure it's gonna get to, for sure, a Sol market cap. Of course, the technology is so much better than Sol in my opinion. 35 cent for Casper, easy peasy, guys. But we aiming for the big boys. We aiming for XRP, BNB, Ethereum. Those are the ones we're aiming for. $11 Casper, guys. $10 Casper incoming. K2LN Cas, we need a downloadable wallet on Android and OS. Homelander, I'm bullish on Cas. Northern Beach, Cas, can't wait for Binance listing. NL Sander, Cas to the moon. From Karen, I'm bullish on Cas. Look at this chart comparing to these other projects. Instant transaction settlement, proof of work, 1 second. Security thresholds, stateless money, solves trilemma, fear launch, no pre-mine, no ICO compared to these other projects, man. Cadena, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at that, man. Solves trilemma, none of them do, right? Not even Bitcoin, right? Ethereum, Solana, super centralized projects. I'm telling you, man. Look at the speed for these projects. Casper is much faster, man. I'm telling you. From Sebi's Rights, Cas, later paper hands, thanks for the pump. Come back at sub 2 cent when you learn fundamentals. Cas, Seabass, Cas, we got this, guys. I don't think we're gonna drop below. I don't think we're gonna get back to sub 2 cent mark for Casper. But if it does, hey, I'm just buying more, man. But yeah, we're in a retrace right now. We got some support levels, right? Got support level right here. Right here is the support level for Cas. You know, we'll see what happens when it comes down to, if it does come down to this support level. Is it gonna hold this support, consolidate to move up from there, or will it break that support to go down to the other levels, like right down here in these ranges right here, guys? I always have problems making these lines straight. Oh my goodness, my apologies, guys. But yeah, those are the support levels. I know people are looking for that 2 cent mark or that 1.9 mark to get in. If it breaks this support level right in this range right here around the 227 mark, you might get that. But if it holds that support, flips it into, if it holds the support, flips it, starts to bounce from there, you're not gonna get those levels, man. We'll see what happens. From Jim Ski Bum, Casper, DeFi on Ethereum. from Change Finance, unleashing a cross-chain breakthrough, bridge native cash to wrapped Kaspa on Ethereum. So now you could get wrapped Kaspa on Ethereum, guys, in the Change Finance app, and dive into an interoperable DeFi ecosystem enabling seamless cross-chain transactions. Crazy, man. So now we got access to wrapped Kaspa on Ethereum, making it a lot easier for people to get, you know, into cash. Because I know there's a lot of people on Ethereum, there's a lot of liquidity on Ethereum, a lot of Ethereum whales, right? So if they want to hold their cash in MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or, you know, Trezor Ledger for now through, you know, MetaMask, they could do so with wrapped Kaspa. That is crazy, man. Change Finance absolutely crushing it. That's insane. Ghost Dag, thank you, DJQ and Change Finance. Look at this. Thrilling news, Casper can now be bridged to Ethereum with the launch of wrapped Kaspa on Change Finance DEX mobile app. This means direct asset transfer from Cash to ETH and access to Ethereum's vast DeFi ecosystem. That is insane, man. This just means Casper can suck up even more liquidity from Ethereum, right? All the ETH whales just might FOMO into wrapped Casper. I'm telling you, because there's a ton of ETH whales that just use Ethereum. They got like millions to six figures worth of ETH and, you know, other ETH projects. And now they could get access to wrapped Kaspa and hold it through like their MetaMask wallet, right? With wrapped Kaspa or Trust Wallet, etc. That's gonna be big, man. I'm telling you, that's gonna be an untapped market that you know, that's gonna be an untapped market for Kaspa and the Caspians. More adoption from Jim Skibum. Shout out to Jim Skibum. More adoption wrapped cash now on ETH. The Ethereum only crowd, that's what I said, the Ethereum only crowd can now get exposure to Casper price action right on Ethereum using DEXs, thanks to Change Finance. Bubblegum Lightning currently have some technical difficulties with Casper Twitter, but we're working on it. New integration just announced Change Finance has created a bridge from native cash to ETH, introducing wrapped Casper to the Ethereum ecosystem. That is huge. Mucho bueno, wrapped cash. If you're not excited as I am, it probably means you haven't understood what's coming still. Keep stacking cash. Wrapped Kaspa, a bridge from Casper to Ethereum. Bullish, man, super bullish. Crypto Phoenix, cash adoption is key. The success of cash depends on the main pillar of every currency users trust. Cash has everything it takes to make people trust it as a valid form of exchange. Moon King, slowly but surely cash is being accepted as payment in more and more places. The biggest challenge for cash will be to grow the number of merchants accepting it. If it can do that, it will truly become the digital silver right next to Ethereum, man. I'm telling you, right next to Bitcoin, not Ethereum, right next to Bitcoin, guys. I'm telling you. From Casper Ray, starting July 8th, Casper will be reducing its production, resulting in a limited circulating supply of coins in the market. Less dilution. That's bullish. Coupled with the growing hash rate, prepare for an imminent price surge. Get ready for the next wave of price increase. So that lowers the emission schedule, which means less circulating supply, less dilution in the supply, meaning even more price action, more upside, more crazy upside for cash. That's insane. Shout out to Casper Ray for that, man. Illuminated. Important day for the Casper history books. Cash is now on Ethereum as a wrapped asset, increasing points capital influx in a big way, as some people only use DEXs swap on Change Finance, right? I'm telling you, the Ethereum crowd is huge, like absolutely huge, and there's a ton of money on Ethereum, right? Especially after Shiba, a ton of millionaires got minted from Shiba. And there's a ton of whales on Ethereum and only use Ethereum, right? They really just are Ethereum maxis. They have Ethereum and they only buy projects on Ethereum in like their DeFi wallets, and that's it, right? So wrapped Kaspa is huge to get access to that Ethereum crowd. And then Casper, like I said, could just start absorbing all of that liquidity from the Ethereum chain, man, into wrapped cash. From Captain Sats, now Ethereum holders have easier access to cash. Why should you care? Take a look at your own bags, protocols, white papers, and you will understand. These are the same people behind Ghost Inclusive used in ETH1 and LMD Ghost in ETH2. Check Cas for new protocols. Like even Pepe. There's so many Pepe whales, right? A ton of them could sell their Pepe for Cas. Shiba for Cas. Vitalik right here talking about adoption of Ghost from Sam Polinsky 2013 to a proof of stake. Context: gold handle fast network latency and allow rapid confirmation for many messages in parallel. Ghost for proof for work. The greedy heaviest observed subtree protocol proposed by Sam Polinsky. Jonathan, guys, his technology is like everywhere in the early stages of these huge cryptos. Ethereum is one of them, man. Crazy stuff. For proof of work, allow POW consensus to function securely with much lower latency than is possible in a blockchain-based protocol. In blockchain-based proof of work, for a miner to be rewarded for a block they find, the rest of the miners must mine on top of it. Crazy stuff, man. Now these ETH whales, these ETH maxis can scoop up a bag of Cas through DeFi. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get really crazy. I'm telling you, this is super bullish. Bitstack RPC endpoint for Cas. APIs to power every use case, enterprise grade security. So super excited to announce the integration with Kaspa, POW cryptocurrency, which implements the Ghost Stack protocol. Bitstack, another exchange, right? Yep, just listed Kaspa. Wawuda, Cas is up 49x basically against BTC since May 25th, 2022. This chart is a monster, man. You compare this against the Bitcoin chart and he's quote retweeting Benjamin Cowan saying Litecoin is down almost 94% against Bitcoin, whereas Cas is up 49x, 4,959% against Bitcoin. And you're telling me this is not the unicorn of this cycle? This is not the monster, the beast that's gonna crush it, and then all like people like Benjamin Cowan are gonna start talking about it? Telling you guys, it's gonna be too late, man. You gotta grab when it's on dips, man. Casper on a dip right now, you know. Let me clear these lines up. You better scoop that dip for Casper, man. You better. I'm telling you. But yeah, the Caspians, we got some huge news in this video. Some great updates in this video, and you know, Casper, the Caspians keep crushing it. They keep pushing. Like, this is the strongest community I've seen in crypto. You know, some of the hardest working people in crypto, and one of the most bullish projects I've ever come across. So Caspians, thanks so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description, and also join the Patreon, join my crypto elite tier. You get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Just recently posted another buy alert, and you know, it's talking about Pulse Chain, right? You know, I know, Caspians, I know you don't really care about other blockchains, but if you want to try to get into projects, get some more X's so you can buy more Cas, like on this dip right here, join up to the Patreon, man. Again, blow up my previous Casper videos, make them go viral, every single one. Let's make these videos go viral, man, till the top influencers are late to the party. Like I said before, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, Caspians, and I'll catch you in the next.